Assalamu alaikum. I'm Nilüfer Yasmin. Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are well and safe. I'm your science teacher. Welcome to my online class. Dear students, this is your second class of chapter 7. Before I discuss the topics, I'm telling you something. Dear students, we have to be more careful about our health in this situation because coronavirus is knocking at the door. So we have to maintain our personal hygiene. We should wash our hands with soap and safe water before eating, preparing food, and after using toilets. If you need to leave your house, wear a mask to avoid infecting to others. Wash hands with soap at least 20 seconds after reaching home. Dear students, I have arranged you today's topics like your textbook. I hope you enjoy the class. Dear students, today I discuss with you Chapter 7, Healthy Lifestyle. Types of infectious disease: airborne disease, waterborne disease, contact disease, and diseases transmitted by animals and insects. What is airborne disease? The diseases caused by the germs and transmitted through air due to coughing, sneezing, or talking are called airborne disease. Examples: chickenpox, measles, tuberculosis, etc. Dear students, who was infected airborne recently in your class? Yes, Maisha, who was suffering for chickenpox. Now I discuss with you waterborne disease. Waterborne diseases that are caused by microbes spread through water are called waterborne diseases. Examples: diarrhea, dysentery, jaundice, cholera. Now I discuss with you contact disease. Contact diseases are diseases caused by direct or indirect contact with an infected person. Flu, Ebola, and measles are such kind of diseases. AIDS is different kind of infectious disease caused by HIV virus. However, will not be infected by AIDS even if we touch and shake hands with a HIV infected person or use things that a HIV infected person uses. Dear students, today I discuss with you our new topics which haven't your syllabus, but you have to know about this because it is now alarming issues of all of the world. I hope you can guess. Yes, I am telling about coronavirus. You also know about through television or newspaper. Dear students, COVID-19 is a disease caused by a new strain of coronavirus. CO stands for corona, VI for virus, and D for disease. Formerly, this disease was referred to as 2019 novel coronavirus. My dear students, most people infected with the COVID-19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. The best way to prevent and slow down transmission is be well informed about the COVID-19 virus, the disease it causes and how it spreads. Protect yourself and others from infection by washing your hands or using an alcohol-based rub frequently and not touching your face. The COVID-19 virus spread primarily through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes. So dear students, it's important that you also practice when you are coughing into a flexed elbow. Avoid going to crowded place. Avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth, because hand touch may be surface and can pick up viruses. Hands can transfer the virus to your eyes, nose or mouth. From there, the virus can enter your body and infect you. Dear student, stay home and self-isolate even with minor symptoms such as cough, headache, mild fever until you recover. Dear students, now I discuss with you diseases transmitted by animals and insects. Some diseases spread with the help of insects and animals. For example, malaria and dengue fever is caused by the mosquito bite. Rabies is transmitted by the bite of rabies-infected dogs. Dear students, no more today. Next class I discuss with you prevention and cure of infectious disease. So dear student, what we have learned in this lesson? We have learned in this lesson what is airborne disease, what is waterborne disease, what is contact disease, diseases transmitted by animals and insects. So dear students, if you have any inquiry, please contact with me.